Delta, Port Control Delta. This is Motor Vessel Sunny. How do you read me? Over.
Sunny, this is Port Control Delta. I read you excellent, loud and clear. Change to channel 1, 2, over.
Port Control Delta. Changing to channel 1, 2, over.
Motor Vessel Sunny, this is Port Control. What is your ETA at pilot station? Over.
Port Control Delta. My ETE pilot station is 2300R. Local time, over.
Sunny, what is your call sign? Over.
Port Control Delta. This is Motor Vessel Sunny. My call sign is Foxtrot India Tango Alpha, over.
Sunny, what was your last port of call and gross tonnage? Over.
Port Control Delta, my last part of call was Japan and my gross tonnage is 14679 tonnage, over.
Sunny, do you carry any dangerous goods? Over.
Port Control Delta, I do not carry any dangerous goods. My cargo is still product, over.
Sunny, your message is understood. You must call when you pass Alpha Island on China. 1, 2, over.
Port Control Delta, recall when we pass Alpha Island on channel 1, 2, over.
Sunny, stand by channel 1, 0 on 1, 6 and 1, 2 out.